Hi everyone. Today I can show you how to create this type of modern pricing table using WordPress and Elementor. This is the desktop version and this is the mobile version. When user comes from mobile, then it will be show like as a slider, and the features should be showing like tab when you can click SEO and another tab social media and Google ads, then the list will show below. When it will be changed when clicking this every single tabs, and in the desktop version it will show like this. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, I have a container with this background color, and for this I can drag a heading. It will be paragraph, and let's change the text, and it will be let me check. The font family is Rubik and 12 pixel, 600. We can use black, should be 600, and Rubik. Transform uppercase. Text align center, and we can make self align center, or we can just use self align center. Let's check the spacing. It's around okay 4 pixel and 12 pixel. 4 and 12 pixel left and right. And line height should be 16 pixel or 1.3 em. Let's use the background color. This is the background color, should be yellow, and I see the bottom pixel is something bigger, so I can reduce the bottom padding. You can keep it, yeah, something like that. It should be font size 12, yeah, 1.33. Bottom, we can use 2 pixel to make it's perfect. And now we can give border radius around 50 pixel to make it left and right round. Now this is the heading. You can add a heading here. Font should be Rubik, light color. The background color should be black. 36 and 1.38. 36, 1.38. It will be capitalized, and the middle part will be bold. So you can use bold tag. Yeah, okay. It will be center align. Let's check the spacing. It will be around 20 pixels. So our default row gaps are row column gaps are 20 pixels. So it's right now okay. Now you can design the boxes. We can design it easy way, not make it complex. Like you see, this is the normal, and when you can hover it, then it will be something like this: orange gradient background color and black. So okay, this is one of the style here, and if we want, we can keep it like this, and just on column, I mean this container will be this design, and when you can hover it, then these buttons background just will be uh, black. Okay, so first we can add a parent container for this 4 item, and now we can drag child containers and duplicate it 3 times, and we can make it horizontal, and the parent container padding should be 0, and let's check the container width, like 1200 pixel. Okay, uh, so we already set here 1220 pixel, because the Elementor, you see there are the default 10 pixel padding we use here, and if we can unlink it, then the default 10 pixel padding left right will be automatically applied. So we keep the left right padding and just increase the container 20 pixel. So we can keep it like that, and let's check the spacing here. You see the AB box middle spacing 30 pixel. So now we can select the 4 box parent container, and we can set a spacing or column gap would be 30 pixel, like that. Yeah, now we can design it. Let's check the border radius. The border radius 24 pixel. So border radius 24, background color should be white. Let's check the padding. It's around 30 pixel. 30 pixel padding you can apply here. Nice. And we see a right corner, right border color on this section. See border right on pixel solid, something gray color. So go to style, border, solid, right on pixel, and color should be this one. Okay, and this is the gradient color. Let's check the gradient text color. Something in Figma there are the CSS. So let's check the font size 14 and 1.7 on. Heading, paragraph, basic 14, 400, 1.7 on EM, 7 on. I have already the CSS code for the background text gradient. So let's, or we can use this gradient color also. Just copy this color code and paste it here, and we can use this class here, copy and paste the class name. Nice. So I will provide the CSS code in my description, video description or comment. So it will be easy to use for you. Okay. Now this one, just copy the pricing and we can use a h2 tag. Let's give some spacing. We can use the default gap here on this container, 5 pixel, not more. We can use it black. Let's copy the price and paste it here. Font will be big, yeah, 36 700 and 1.27. 36 700 1.26 em, yeah. And now this we can use a HTML tag called SUP, and after the dollar sign, yeah, and this is the small text per month, 14 pixel. Okay, we can use it here also, a span tag, span, and use this, and you can go to advanced and use a small CSS selector span. You can easily do that by simple code, just type it as I can do here, like the font size, (14 pixel), font width 400, and the color is gray. Line height 1.7 on. Line height 1.7 on em. Yeah. Now you can design the button, gradient border. So first we can drag a container here and a button also here. Let's copy, subscribe, and 14700 1.42 and uppercase Rubik. Uppercase 1.7 on, sorry, 1.42. Can use 1.4, no problem. Let's check the padding, 10 pixel top and bottom, and 24 pixel left and right. So 10 and 24 pixel left, right, and so it will be full width, and we can reset the container padding to 0. The button border radius will be like 50 pixel, and the background color white, text color will be bold. I have also the gradient, button gradient color, so you can just copy paste the CSS. So you can add the CSS, your page settings, custom CSS, and just copy paste the button class name, so it will be applied here. So I can use the gradient color in the on the container, button container, so it will not affect to our button buttons, like when you can click then it will be, so I can use it here. like, sorry, you can use this class name here. So you see it's already applied. Okay, now we can use the button getIndex1 and let's select the container and use on pixel padding. So now the border is fully visible. The button hover effect will be black background. So we can go to style hover and select the background color black and text white. Okay, and when we can hover the container and button, then uh, you see the gradient border is also visible, so we can fix it. I can just select the container and go to custom CSS and write a small CSS code over before background black. Important. Yeah. So you can just use the background color to black. So this is small CSS code. You can just use it here. Okay. Let's fix the spacing. You see there are 24 pixel margin, so we can select this container and use margin 24 pixel. Now it's perfect. We can just duplicate it now 4 times or sorry 3 times and remove the blank container. And now we can use gradient color on this button. So you can select it and say the gradient color. This is the first color and the second color. This is the second color, and the angle will be 90 degree. And what will happen? It will be location around 62 pixels, something like that, or 86. Sorry, it's not working. 50, 47. If we can use 47, how it will look? Yeah, it's okay now. Okay. We need to change the button background color. Normally it will be black and white. When you can hover, it will be white and black. Sorry. And when we can hover the container, it will be also black. Sorry. Hover, it will be white. Yeah. Now we can update the text. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, Copy, paste, need some spacing, copy, paste. Okay, unlimited package, it will be white, not, we can remove the gradient class, and this will be also white, and the CSS code we can change it the color to white. Yeah, publish. Okay, now we can make the comparison table. So let's copy the style. We can use a new section for that, or we can use a new container. We can drag a new container here, so I hope it will be good. Okay, let's open navigator, so it will be easy to navigate. You can drag it bottom. Yeah, and the comparison button, sorry, this is the small title, 18 pixel and 1.55 em. Eighteen pixel, and this is a small icon, so we can drag a new element, or you can use icon element and upload SVG and use, yeah, this icon. Let's reduce the size. It will be 20 pixel, or okay, let's check why this spacing here. But I see there is a bottom spacing, so we can use margin bottom minus to fix it. Yeah, and now we can select the container and direction horizontal. Let's check the spacing. It's around 8 pixels, so we can use 8 pixel here. And the justify content is center. It's perfect. Let's check the spacing. 40 pixel, already 10 pixel spacing here, and 30. So we can use 10 pixel margin. Yeah, now we can use a new container for this section. Drag a new container, sorry, you can drag it here and drag to the bottom. Let's check the border radius 20 and padding around 30 pixel. So the background color should be white, border radius 30 pixel, padding should be 30 pixel. Let's check if there any border here. Border right. We see the border right also here. So let's copy the border right color from here and paste it here. Solid right one and paste the color. Okay. Now you can drag a new heading element, or we can duplicate this and drag it here. All the features. Let's update the style. 22 6.3 22 1.63 1.63. Yeah, let's check the spacing. It's around 20 pixel. Okay, 16. Okay, now we can drag a new container and we can fix it. You see there are there are 1 2 3 4 5 column and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 7 row. So we can use something like that. How can we fix it? Okay, let's drag a new container here first. Sorry. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this section will be something bigger than this. Okay, so first of all we can drag 1 2 3 5 child container. 2 3 4 5, and we can make it horizontal, and let's check the spacing. It's around 15 and 12 pixel top and bottom. So I can select every container. We can make 0 pixel padding for every container at the first time, then we can fix it later. You can select the parent container and see 12 and 12 pixel top and bottom. So I can make it first 12 pixel top, and left right should be 15 pixel. 15 left and right. Okay, now I can copy paste the titles. These two are middle and these two are left and right. Okay, the font size 12 pixel on point on 6. It will be paragraph. Pixel 400 1.6, sorry, 1.6. transform uppercase. Yeah, and let's copy the background color. Can copy the background color, and the border radius will be 16 pixel. Top, left and right. Border radius 16, top and right. Yeah, and the vertical align should be center. Let's check. Yeah, it's okay. Then we can just duplicate this title 4 times and we can drag it. Okay. Okay, we can use 1.2. So it will be now middle point. Okay. Basic. Growth package. Okay, now this will be right and these three will be center. Center. Yeah. Now it looks good. Now we can duplicate this container and just we can okay, I see there are default spacing 12 pixel, maybe I hope it's better. We can remove the default row up 20 pixel to 10 pixel and then we can use the padding and margin customly, so it will be good for us, otherwise it will not match. So we can just remove the background and we can remove the border radius from here also. For this we can again duplicate and also maybe as a problem, or I can select this and make the row gap 0. Okay. For this column we don't need this, so we can remove the others container and also we can fix the spacing around 20 pixel, heading top 20 pixel, left right I hope it will be 0, left and right. Okay, and here is the icon and title, so we can copy this icon and paste it here and drag the icon top. Sorry. Yeah. Now we can change the direction and sorry, vertical center, and now we can change the icon, upload and right icon. Let's check the spacing. It's around 12 pixel. So again we can select this container and gap will be 12 pixel. Nice. And let's make it 14 pixel, 1.7 on and 500. On 1.5 on 1.7 on 1.7 on. Great. So we can set the bottom 0 of this container, and now this is it's right now perfect, and we can fix it now. So this is the arrow, sorry, right checkbox icon, and this is the title. Let's check the font size 10 pixel and line height 22 pixel. So we can set it 10 pixel. Just copy the text and paste it here. Now we can fix this padding to 0, and let's check the top spacing around 12 pixel. So 12 pixel are perfect, and bottom should be 0. Okay, and it's okay. Basic. So we can select this container, and for this on we can make this container with something bigger. Like first let's use a icon, or we can use a list, icon list, and just use the icon from here also. This two way you can use it, using icon box or icon list. The text color will be transparent because there are already a text color used. The style alignment should be center, and let's check the height width. It will be 14. Let's check 16 pixel around. Yeah, now we can set some spacing for this. Sorry, we can set an width. It will be not percentage, it will be pixel. Sorry, I hope it will not works like that. Select. Okay. Or we can use some margin left to make it fully center. Okay, I have this section is right now perfect, and just copy this and paste it here. Okay, Okay. Now we can duplicate this on time, and let's check the spacing. Just select it and zoom. Sorry. Around 22 pixels, so I hope it will be 11 pixel, or not understand how I cannot able to. 1 2 3 4 5 6 okay, 11 or yeah, 12 pixel. So 12 pixel padding top, it's okay now, it's enough. Now we can just duplicate this item and we can just change it. So it's for the bottom all the section, it's the same way we can use. We can just now change the content, like keyword research on week, yeah, and then we can again use a border or shape or divider here. Sorry, let's duplicate this container first. There are two methods we can do it. One is if we can use a border bottom of the last container, like go to the border solid on pixel bottom and use the color from here. So if this is the easy way for you, so we can also give the 20 pixel padding bottom. See, it's working fine. So I hope we can keep it like this, and then we can again duplicate this section and we can drag it to bottom. Yeah, okay, and again we can duplicate this section, sorry, the second section, duplicate and drag it to the bottom. Sorry, yeah, and we can just change the color, sorry, change the text like this. And we can, if we want to use the icon, we can just use the icon and we can keep it blank. So I hope you understand the process, how can you do that. So you can easily just duplicate this section and change the content, and the form will be like this. So I can just show you the second section perfectly. So you will do the next 2 3 4 5 section easily. Again I can duplicate it and change the text. Again 1 2 3. Yeah, this section also done, and we can click the last section and just copy and click here and paste this style, so the border will apply here. And if you don't need the border, you can just keep it like this of the last section, because you see last section have no border. So you can easily do the same way for if you have more content or more features and packages, so you can do it the same way I mentioned already. So I hope we need to give some space of this section bottom around 10 pixel, publish. So this is the desktop version, and I can do the mobile version in my next part. So keep watching my tutorial and practice it, and I hope I will upload the second part fast, like tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.